Hello, hello, hello. All right, you guys, it's down to the wire. Mrs. O is going to bring you two sides and a killer dessert on Wednesday. I'm going to try to get the dessert up early enough so if you want to make it for Thanksgiving, you can, or you can do it for Christmas. But this dessert, you guys, I thought outside the box. I just want you guys to see once Mrs. O show you the final presentation. But I'm not going to tell you, all right? So you'll definitely have to tune in. But I want to thank all of my new subscribers. I want to thank my Ride or Die subscribers. And my grandbaby had a wonderful time. Thanks to all who watched. All right, today we're going to do a corn casserole. We love this. And when my mom was living, she would be like, y'all baking that corn casserole? Because I sure want some corn casserole. So in the memory of my mom, and also, it's just a great side dish. We're going to do the corn casserole. All right? Let's get this tray on the tracks. Let's get it started. All right, before I get started, let me just say this. Somebody who watched one of my YouTube videos asked me to please stop saying you guys so much. So I'm going to try to practice on that. I promise. But here are the ingredients for the corn casserole. We have melted butter. We have sour cream. We have, okay, scoop this back. I don't know why I always wrap it up. We have 2 eggs. We have a half a jar of pimentos. We have 1 box of Jiffy corn muffin mix. We have 1 can of whole kernel corn. We have 1 can of sweet corn cream style. We have black pepper. We have salt. And 1 other ingredient. Hold on. And we have 4 slices of cooked crumble up bacon. This recipe is going to be so easy because all we're going to do is dump it in, and stir it up. So let me open up the cans. When I come back, we will get this recipe in the oven. Also, preheat your oven to 375 degrees before you start prepping all of your canned goods and, your condiments. All right. Okay, here is the Jiffy corn muffin mix. We're going to add the cool melted butter. We're going to add the sour cream. And remember, all of the measurements will be in the description box below. We're going to add this half a jar of pimentos. Make sure you drain your pimentos. Sorry for this shaking. The pimentos seem like they don't want to come out. All right. Next, we're going to do the cream style corn. Make sure you wipe your lids off before you open any canned goods. You'd be surprised what be on top of your lids. Okay, we're going to add that in. That is the cream corn. Also, we're going to add the whole can of kernel corn. Make sure you drain your whole kernel corn. All right, can you see that? Next, we're going to add the eggs, and I did beat them before I put them in here. So there are the 2 eggs. And last but not least is the crumbled up bacon. That's just gonna give it some smokiness and a little saltiness. Cause to me, I think Jiffy cornbread is, you know, really kind of sweet. So the bacon will give a good contrast with the saltiness. All right, told you we're just dumping, and now we're gonna mix it up, and I'm going to put it in a 9-inch baking dish, but I'll come back and show you all the baking dish. All right, I stirred it all up, and I put it in this glass casserole dish. We're gonna bake it at 375 for 45 minutes to an hour. It depends on how you like it. Some people like it to where you can cut it. That's usually about an hour. I like it to where you can spoon it. That's usually between 45 and 50 minutes. But when I come back, I will tell you how long I cooked it, and you will be able to see the consistency that I like it. All right, putting it in the oven now. Okay, Royal family, here is the finished presentation of the corn pudding. I cooked it for about 50 minutes. All right, I'm not gonna sound like a broken record. Winner, winner, corn pudding dinner. This either has to be on your Thanksgiving table or your Christmas table. And with the hint of that bacon that gives it a little saltiness and smokiness, woo! Lord, that's all I can say. But I want to give you guys a close-up. And it's actually like the pudding consistency. But I want you guys to see this. Look at that. So it has a sweetness, it has a smokiness. How would they call it? Umami, to where everything is just balanced. But look at that again, you guys. And with the pimentos, oh my Lord, here I go. Okay. I'm not gonna laugh. But you know how when something is so freaking good, it tingle your toes? A la not. This is a recipe that if you cook it according to the directions and it don't turn out right, you don't like it, you can unsubscribe. That's how sure I am about this freaking recipe. Oh my God. Thank you guys for watching. Please share and subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Please, please put this either on your Thanksgiving table or your Christmas table. God bless you.